Hey, this is Matthew from Family Fun RV. Today I want to introduce you to the 2019 Impression by Forest River. This is a 28 BHS bunkhouse with a slide. Got a nice king size bed, comes standard. Got the bigger shower here. Got porcelain toilet. Plenty of room in here. Ample storage. 6.5 foot slides. Trifold sofa. You've got your 8 cubic foot fridge. Got your bunk room back here. This is good for little kids, medium-sized kids, even adults sometimes. Plenty of storage underneath. So today we have this on manager special. This is on sale for $29,999. A brand new 2019 fifth wheel for under 30 grand. If you feel like you're interested in this unit, come see us down at Family Fun RV and ask for Matthew V. Thank you.